Find the critical points of the equation x squared plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. But before we solve this problem, we need to understand what critical points are. A critical point is the x and y coordinates on a graph where the slope of the function is either equal to 0 or undefined. Remember that slope is also the derivative of the function, right? So, with that said, we are going to find the slope of this equation, equate it to 0, right? And then substitute the value of x back into the original equation to find the y coordinate. So I'm going to rewrite this as y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 8. So now let's differentiate y. If we differentiate this, this would give us what? 2x plus 4. And remember, we said the derivative must be equal to 0. The derivative is the same thing as the slope, right? Now, this means that 2x is equal to minus 4, right? And x is equal to minus 4 over 2. That would give us what? Minus 2. Now, in some cases, they might ask you for the minimum value or the maximum value. So now that we have x equal to minus 2, how do you know if it's a minimum x or a maximum x? Right? Let's go to the manual. I always like to use the manual so that you get familiar with the manual as you solve problems. It's very important. So I go to the manual under the derivative section, right? Under mathematics. We see the test for a maximum, right? And test for a minimum. Now, for maximum, it says that y equals the function f of x is a maximum for x is equal to a if the derivative of the function is equal to 0 and the second derivative of the function is less than what? 0. And then when we go to the test for minimum, it says y equals the function f of x is a minimum for x is equal to a if the first derivative of the function is equal to 0 and the second derivative is greater than what? 0. So now let's go back to our problem. Now we see that the first derivative is 2x plus 4. If you now take the second derivative, you see that the second derivative is equal to 2. That means the second derivative is greater than 0. That means the x we have here, x equal to minus 2, is x minimum. So I'm going to rewrite that as x minimum is equal to what? Minus 2, right? Now, all we have to do is substitute this x equal to minus 2 back into the original equation to get the y minimum value. And if we do that, we are going to have y minimum is equal to what? Open brackets minus 2, close brackets, square plus 4 open brackets minus 2 close brackets plus 8. And what does that give us? If you punch that into your calculator, that would give you what? 4. That means that our answer, which is x minimum, comma y minimum, is equal to what? Minus 2, comma what? 4. So our answer is what? B, x equals minus 2, comma y equals 4. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really encourages me to solve more problems, do more problems, and many more problems. See you in the next problem.